The Tropicana, another luxury apartment, is one of my favorite places to stay in Kuala Lumpur City Center. Located directly across the street from the Petronas Towers with a gorgeous rooftop view. It's connected to the W Hotel owned by the same company. I've stayed in 2 different apartments in this building, very similar but opposite sides. In this video, I'll show you both. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. Someone asked, how do I book my accommodations? I book my accommodations through Agoda. They have always given me the best price. Check out my Agoda video linked above to learn how to get the best rate. I use them so much I became an Agoda affiliate. When you're ready to book your hotel, my Agoda link is in the description box below. This is the perfect apartment. It has a washer and dryer. It even has a stove. A lot of places don't have a stove. The building is quiet. I didn't hear my neighbors. There's 24-hour security. And look at the space. I love the space and how it's decorated. I have a view of the tower. It lights up at night. It's not the Petronas Towers, but it's okay. The bedroom was spacious and the bed was comfortable. And I gotta have a clean and fresh bathroom. The building and apartment are wheelchair accessible with wider elevator, apartment, and bathroom doors. Unfortunately, not all the places I've stayed at have been wheelchair friendly. For specific measurements, I recommend you contact the property. If you enjoy my videos and have gained value, please contribute to Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for your support. Let's go check out apartment number 2. It's the same design and layout, just a different floor and a different side of the building. Most of the apartments in this building are designed the same. This is a vending machine in the lobby that I could never learn how to work. I tried, I YouTube, and I still couldn't figure it out. It would not take my card. There's no such thing as a luxury building in KL without a fabulous rooftop view and swimming pool. You're close to tourist attractions. The Saloma Link is across the street, which leads to Compound Baru, known for its delicious Malay cuisine. The beautiful KLCC Park is across the street. I have several videos linked above showcasing accommodations in Kuala Lumpur. The city has a variety of choices for every budget. Next to KLCC Park, you have one of my favorite restaurants with delicious fried rice and cabbage. I love it. It's so tasty. If you don't like spicy fried rice, make sure you tell them no heat. Along that same block, you have the food truck park. When looking for accommodations, I prioritize quality, convenience, comfort, affordability. One of the most challenging aspects of solo travel is finding suitable accommodations. It's time-consuming and tedious. I'm sharing my experiences to give you options. I'm often asked, can you recommend a place to stay? The same questions I ask when looking for a place to stay. I have to do the research. I have to look at YouTube videos. I want to see the accommodations. That's why I'm sharing the apartment tours, the environment, the neighborhoods with you, so you can make a decision during your research if this is the option or a place that you would like to stay. If you have recommendations on places to stay, leave them in the comments below. I'm always on the lookout for nice spots. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, peace.